Alright guys, so it's been a while since I posted anything about Fetty, and so I guess it's about time I give you guys an update, considering that I'm going to start working on it a lot more over the winter. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so if you don't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and just so you can keep up to date with everything I'm doing. Everything that's been done to my car so far has all been uploaded on Instagram. And my Snapchat is always getting posted of things that I'm doing when I'm working on it. So make sure you go in the link below to keep updated with my build. Anyways, so let's start off with the front end. Now the bumper's still wavy, so I have another bumper outside that's like super clean. You can't see it right now, but like there's waves in it. And so first thing that I did is I built a splitter. I built it out of the plywood one that I had, if you ever seen my other videos of it. And so that was built, like the design was built off of that, but I brought it in a little bit, not making it as massive. And so I just recently went over and just came up with a couple of small designs, because my these were sitting about here. My splitter rods, my DIY splitter rods, were sitting about here and here. And I didn't like how they were sitting, and I wanted to bring them out more closer, like here and like there. So I made a nice little design, cut it out, and I'm gonna get better splitter rods, like the actual ones, not this DIY shit. And I'm probably gonna get some cable ties or something, and I'm probably gonna drill into this bumper, and just so the corners are good too, and that way it'll be super sturdy. And then I gotta like drill a couple holes in, because there's get a couple self-tappers in there. Other than that, nothing really new. Oh, I don't really know what you guys have and haven't seen, really. It's been a while since I've uploaded it. But yeah, this, I got rid of Fetty B2. He's gone. I parted him out and got like $3 grand for everything. It was ridiculous. LEDs still inside. Oh, I did LEDs throughout every corner. My rear end LEDs, like everything LED back here. Put that exhaust on. I'm in the middle of building a diffuser, so that's pretty dope. It's in the process of it. I just gotta go get L brackets, and then I'll be done, and I might make a video of it. We'll see. I don't really think anything's been done in the interior. The door sills maybe. Upgraded the speakers. Oh, the radio. Put the gauges in there. They're not up and running yet, but they will be. I'm probably going to put the blue one back in. Oh, and then I have a new shifter boot to go on, and a cluster because my friend broke it getting out. And engine bay, I'm in the middle of getting ready for turbo. I have to rebuild the turbo. It's got some play. See, it's not broken or anything. I've had it looked at, but I just need to rebuild. Other than that, I drilled and tapped today for the oil drain. Test fitting turbo piping. Oh, this is pretty neat. Let's go here. Someone makes those on one of my Miata app things, the Amino app, and I bought one off of them a while ago. Just finally got to installing it now. Love it. It's pretty cool. Highly recommend checking them out. Coolant reroute. I don't know if I did anything about that. Oh, I depowered the power steering rack. Silicone lines everywhere. Dual core rad with the one fan cut out because airflow, because race car. Got rid of the washer reserve, and then yeah, and then this is the rest of the diffuser that I'm in the middle of. Yep, I have to get my downpipe rebuilt because it's just rotted to shit. Just because whoever welded it did a terrible job to begin with, and like it's just terrible. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far. Nothing really new. I want to get some splitters or some side skirts made, just some simple things. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh, and then the dog, I haven't seen it, but yeah, highly recommend that, man. If you can get them, I don't know, it doesn't matter fly Miata or not, get the hood props or the hydraulics, whatever. They're amazing. Love them. Highly recommend them. Yeah, everything's LED. That's pretty much it. Been to a couple track days. Pretty sure the engine didn't like it because now it burns oil and looks like I'm low on coolant, so that's not good. But yeah, so far that's it. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll be posting up more videos very shortly. I forgot to mention, I did the banner. Ooh, the banner, if you need that. The seats. I don't know what you guys have seen and we haven't seen. That's the longer I haven't uploaded, but I'm gonna be uploading a lot more now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.